improve health. I think one of the things I would also advise the Goan government is to have participatory planning for health. When you're planning for health, take the confidence of the people along so they can participate in planning, they can also participate in monitoring.
Dr. Fernandes was in Goa to deliver the lecture on urban health, the challenge of the millennium, which was organized by V.M. Sargaonkar Foundation on the 93rd birth anniversary of late V.M. Sargaonkar. Dr. Fernandes also spoke on the major health challenges that would be faced by the Goans in future.
I think one of the major challenges that you have is heart diseases, strokes, heart attacks, diabetes, and accident. These are the major health challenges. But I think as important challenges are public health systems, availability of clean water, a proper sewage or waste disposal. And there are other challenges that I talked about of nutrition, of breastfeeding, of vector-borne diseases like malaria and other infectious.
She also rated Goa among the best states providing better health care facilities to the people in the country.
Goa is very high as far as the rest of the country. Probably Goa competes with Kerala. There are two states that are much, much better than the rest of India.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shettiye with video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Speculation is rising over the Indian Boxing Federation's search for a coach after Cuban coach B.I. Fernandes went back to his homeland. The chairman of Ring Officials Commission, Lenny De Gama, however, feels that the experienced Fernandes will return. He also ruled out the possibility of Goa-based Italian Fabrizio Petroni being considered for the national job.
As far as I understand, Fernandes will be coming back. Fernandes, the Cuban coach, will be coming back to India. I spoke to the Federation today morning. I spoke to the Secretary General of the Federation, Colonel Raja, and asked him to clarify whether he had really spoken with regards to Fabrizio, and he has very, very clearly mentioned that no, we do not want Fabrizio.
De Gama, who is also the technical advisor for Goan Boxing Association, praised NIS coaches from the state. He urged the government to implement the sports policy to boost the sports fraternity.
We have two of our very own Goan SAG coaches who have reached as assistant coaches at the world level. Pravin Shirodkar, he has gone as the assistant coach for the cadets World Championship, where we got a silver through Sunil. Nilesh Khanolkar has been the assistant coach for the Commonwealth team. Okay, so our coaches have got a lot of experience. They have done their NIS courses. If Government of Goa gives us equipment or boxing gyms for each of the coaches, I am telling you, we will have a number of national champions. Give us the equipment, give us the coaches, back up the sportsmen and set up the sports policy. We will have a lot of national champions, not only in boxing, in most of the games.
Our reporter from Salegaon, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Naach re mora naach. Peacock, the national bird of India. It is symbolic of beauty, grace and pride. The peacock is depicted in the company of Indian gods and goddesses. It is the sacred bird of India, protected not only by a religious sentiment but also by parliamentary statute. We take your leave with these beautiful visuals of national bird. So take care and keep watching Prudent Media.
मनमोरा चौक सब सारा फुलला